Moringa is considered a superfood since it has a high nutritional value and contains 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 4 times more vitamin A than carrots, 4 times more calcium than cow milk, 3 times more iron than spinach, 3 times the amount of potassium compared to bananas, and twice more proteins than yogurt. Did you know that moringa seeds are used to purify water? That makes moringa a miraculous plant used in many parts of the world. Among its benefits in folk medicine, we can cite improves circulation and immune system, improves digestion and balances metabolism, regulates blood pressure and hormone levels, prevents diabetes and hinders cell aging, facilitates sleep and has aphrodisiac powers. How incredible are these benefits? In addition to all of that, moringa is highly anti-inflammatory. And if all these things weren't enough, moringa has a pleasant flavor, and both its leaves and flowers can be eaten raw or cooked. Why don't we learn how to use all the different parts of a moringa? The flowers are rich in carbs and have a nice taste. The leaves can be used in teas or juices and are used as fertilizers and fungicides in farming. Today you will learn how to make a moringa tea. You will need 1 tablespoon of the herb and 7 ounces of hot water. Let it infuse for 3 minutes, then drink, preferably without sweetening. Easy, isn't it? Get all these benefits of moringa, but remember that its excessive use can hinder vitamin absorption.